Hello there, my name is McHorse, and welcome to Minema 3.5 changelog video. This update doesn't really have a lot of features, as it mostly adds several new config options, and focuses on providing an API and a tighter integration with Aperture mod. However, here are a couple of features worth showing. So the first feature is held frames option. What it does is basically renders the same frame as many times as specified in mod options. Rendering same frame multiple times is useful for shaders that accumulate some kind of data every frame. However, one frame isn't enough for them to correctly display that information, so held frame option forces the rendering of the same frame multiple times, so it would accumulate needed data. Here is an example of using 1 and 10 held frames with Soothe PTGI here. As you can see, the result with 10 held frames produces a nicer picture with consistent lighting. However, it takes 10 times longer to record. Next feature is Screenshot Alpha option. What it does is allows to capture transparency with F2 screenshot keybind. In order to actually capture alpha, you'll need to add something that erases background pixels, like this image morph with keying option enabled. Once the option is enabled, you'll see transparency in the screenshots. Here is a comparison of 2 screenshots I took. While still staying on the topic of transparency, the final feature, to be reviewed in this video, is use alpha option. This option allows to record the alpha channel with Minema's video recorder. This requires the same thing like with Screenshot Alpha, an erasing surface. When you'll record, you'll get a really big QuickTime MOV file which contains alpha. For more information about alpha and transparency stuff, make sure to check out a dedicated BB tips video. If you have any questions, hop on my Discord server. Also, I have a Patreon. If you would like and can afford to financially support the development of my mods, both links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check all the videos of this big mod update.